So let's start with the 2026 May Pure Mathematics 1 paper. So here the first question is that's about integration. So we know before we do integration, it's easier if we get this into a bitter format. So let's consider it as y. So let me get the y here so that I can simplify this easily. We know when we have a square term, if we see a 1 plus b whole thing squared, that will give you a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So similarly here we can get 3x squared plus 2 into the first term 3x, because our first term is this, our second term is this, 3x, and 2 divided by x plus 2 divided by x whole thing squared. So these are the first step. So here we can see when we do this, we're gonna get 9x squared, and here the x's will cut each other, so it will be, once you remove it, it's gonna be 12 and plus 4 divided by x squared. So this is gonna be your y. So we know since when we do the integration, the main method that we have, x to the power n dx, this will give us x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So it's preferable to have every x's as x power. So let me take this power also into top. So my y will be 9x squared plus 12 plus 4, and when we take it up, so it will be negative 2 power. So this is my y. Now when we're gonna check, okay, now let's start with the integration. 9x squared plus 12 plus 4x to the power negative 2 dx. Yeah, now we know we can do the integration one by one. So we can take the 9x squared and we can get the 12, and we can get the negative 2 dx. So we can get that answer. So let's, if we check the 9x squared, you have 9 here. It doesn't change. It's just that you have to take, you can take a look on this rule. So that's gonna be, you have to consider x to the power 1 up. So let me get the first one. So it's x to the power, now it's 2 here, so 2 plus 1 will be 3 divided by 3, and then you have plus 12. So in here, if you really consider, that is x to the power 0. So x to the power 0, when you added a 1 there, when you added a 1 to the 0, it will be x to the power 1 divided by 1. And now again, if we come back to the other one, that will be 4, but x to the power negative 2 minus 1 will give you negative 1, so negative 1 divided by negative 1, and at the end you have plus c, which is the integral constant. Okay, now when we have this, we're going to take this as 3x to the power 3 plus 12x minus 4, because 4 divided by negative 1, it's minus 4, x to the power negative 1 plus c. So you can consider this also as a simplified version, but if you also want, you can take the negative powers off, which will give you 4 divided by x plus c. So this is the complete answer, which gives you the full marks of 5. Thank you.